Hello, old man. What are you doing?
Hello. Remind me, who are you?
I'm your wife!
Oh, good. I thought I forgot something important.
What did you eat for breakfast?
It was a surprise, even for me.
Did you take your medicine?
Of course.
When?
I forgot.
Why is the room still messy?
I was waiting for motivation.
You are so irritating these days. Did it come?
Maybe it got lost. Why did I come here?
Because you forgot again. You start first, then motivation comes.
That sounds like hard work. I never forget. You are always right.
Good answer.
Where is the table? It's right in front of you! Maybe tomorrow I'll remember.
Maybe tomorrow you'll clean.
Let's not be too hopeful. You are like my video, remember?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Bye-bye.